Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic.
Each day, 19,000 liters of air are transported through airways into our lungs. Your lungs are the organ in your body that can float in water. The capillaries of the lung receive an immense blood supply. If placed end to end, all the capillaries in the lungs would extend to 2400 km. We lose half a liter of water a day through breathing. The more you breathe, the hungrier you will be. And the more acidic your body will become. 70% of waste is eliminated through your lungs just by simply breathing. Your respiratory system begins with the nose. It opens into the nasal cavity through the trachea or windpipe. That opens into two bronchi, one going to each lung. The bronchi then divide into thousands of tiny bronchioles within the lungs, which then open into the sac-like structure known as alveoli. This is where the gaseous exchange takes place. An average adult lung is made up of 600 million alveoli. If you were to unfold and stretch out all the tubes in your lung, it would cover an area about the size of a tennis court. Since it contains so many air sacs, the lungs are able to float in water. The lining of the alveoli produces a substance called as surfactant. Surfactant reduces the surface tension of water, preventing the alveoli from collapsing when we exhale. You yawn due to the lack of oxygen in your body. When our brain senses a shortage of oxygen, it triggers us to take a long deep breath. Yawning helps us breathe more oxygen to lungs. Most people only breathe through one nostril at a time. The right nostril is usually more active during the daytime, while the left nostril will appear more dominant during the night time. You can sense this shift around the dawn or at the time of sunset. The nose is the foremost part of the respiratory system. It has 4 stages of filtration. It contains tiny hairs that help filter the air we breathe. It prevents the entry of pathogens like bacteria into the respiratory tract. It also helps to keep the air warm and bring it to body temperature. When you breathe through the mouth, you surpass all the 3 stages, and the air directly gets into stage 4. This can cause tonsillitis, ear infections, respiratory tract infection, and sore throat. Alright viewers, kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well. Thank you.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.